Hey there, future Cyber Guardians! Because I'm the Cyber Guardian, welcome to my lair, the ultimate tech haven where not only the coffee is brewed to perfection, but it's also strong enough to fuel your most ambitious ideas. The Wi-Fi? It's lightning fast, ready to keep you connected to the digital world as we embark on this thrilling journey into the wild and fascinating universe of cybersecurity. If you've ever dreamed of being the hero of the digital age, then you've clicked on the right video. So grab your favorite snack, maybe some popcorn, chips, or whatever fuels your brain, and settle in. Sit back, relax, and let's ignite this cyber party. Alright, let's kick things off with a straightforward question. What exactly is cybersecurity? Well, think of it as a robust digital fortress designed to safeguard your precious data, protect your privacy, and shield our online lives from those bad guys. Those pesky hackers, malicious malware, and all sorts of cyber threats that lurk in the shadows, waiting for an opportunity to strike. And guess what? We need more heroes like you to step up and defend this fortress. Before we dive even deeper into this, let's address something crucial: the types of cyber threats we're up against. You've probably heard of malware, viruses, and phishing, but let me break it down for you. Imagine you're on a treasure hunt, but there are traps everywhere. Malware is like a hidden trap that sneaks onto your device without you noticing, wreaking havoc on your system. Viruses? Well, they act like digital infection, spreading from one file to another, corrupting everything in their path. And phishing? Think of it like a scam artist trying to trick you into handing over the keys to your treasure chest, your personal data. But here's the good news. Just like in every game, there are power-ups. In cybersecurity, we have tools and techniques to defend ourselves. Antivirus software, firewalls, and encryption are our shields and armor. Encryption, in particular, is like locking your treasure chest that only you have the key to. Even if a hacker gets their hands on your data without the key, it's nothing but gibberish to them. One of the most common attacks we're seeing right now is ransomware. Hackers lock you out of your own files and demand a ransom to get them back. But guess what? With good practices, like regular backups and avoiding suspicious links, you can totally defend yourself against this digital extortion. It's all about staying one step ahead. Now let's talk about social engineering. This is where the bad guys don't just target your systems, they target you. They'll manipulate emotions or use tricks to gain your trust, then bam, they've got what they need. This is why it's crucial to stay vigilant and question anything that seems suspicious, even if it looks legit. Remember, if it sounds too good to be true, it probably is. And let's not forget about passwords. I know, creating a strong password might seem annoying, but trust me, it's one of the easiest and most effective ways to protect yourself. A strong password is like having a steel door in front of your digital vault. Better yet, use a password manager. It's like having a cheat code for keeping track of all of your logins without sacrificing security. And please, for the love of all things tech, enable two-factor authentication wherever you can. It's like adding an extra lock on your door, because why wouldn't you? One final pro tip: be cautious of what you share online. Information like your birthday, location, or even your pet's name can be clues for hackers to guess your passwords or security questions. So, the next time you're about to post a cute pic of Fluffy, maybe think twice. Now I know what you might be thinking. But I'm not a tech wizard. Well, let me share a little secret with you. I wasn't born with a keyboard and mouse in my hands either. I started out just like you, filled with curiosity, but a bit lost in the vastness of it all. The beauty of cybersecurity is that you don't need to be a genius. What you truly need is passion, determination, and a willingness to learn. That's what sets successful cyber guardians apart from the rest. Step 1. Find your niche. Cybersecurity is a vast realm, filled with countless paths just waiting to be explored. You could choose to be a penetration tester, a diligent security analyst, or even a forensic investigator uncovering the mysteries of cybercrime. Think of it like selecting your character class in a video game. Do you want to be the stealthy rogue, the wise wizard, or the brave warrior? What excites you the most? Take the time to explore the various options. There's truly something for everyone in this exhilarating field. Step 2. Get educated. Now, I'm not saying you need to pursue a PhD in computer science, but establishing a solid foundation is absolutely key. There are a plethora of resources at your fingertips. YouTube channels, online courses, and even free boot camps that can help you get started. I mean, I learned a ton just by binge watching cybersecurity tutorials while happily munching on pizza. So find what resonates with you and start methodically building those essential skills, because every little step counts. And hey, don't underestimate the classics. Books can be your best friend in this journey. Dive into some informative literature and consider grabbing a few certifications like CompTIA Security Plus or Certified Ethical Hacker, and you'll be well on your way to creating an impressive resume that stands out in the competitive job market. Step 3. Network, network, network. This is crucial. Join online forums, attend local meetups, or engage with communities on social media platforms. Connect with fellow tech enthusiasts and seasoned industry professionals. Trust me, you never know when a casual conversation could open the door to your next job opportunity. Plus, you'll gain invaluable insights from their experiences. Like that time I accidentally locked myself out of my own computer during a live demo. Let's just say that was quite the learning moment. Step 4. Get hands-on experience. This is where the real magic happens. Seek out internships, volunteer opportunities, or even consider taking on side projects. You can create your own home lab to practice and hone your skills. Feel free to try ethical hacking on your own devices. Just remember to steer clear of breaking any laws, all right? With great power comes great responsibility. Step 5. Stay curious and keep learning. The cyber world is always evolving, and you should too. Follow the latest trends, immerse yourself in new threats, and never stop asking questions. Join vibrant communities like Reddit's r/cybersecurity, watch informative webinars, and continuously sharpen your skills to stay ahead of the curve. The more you learn, the more equipped you'll be able to tackle the challenges that come your way. Now, let's have a candid conversation about the challenges you may encounter. The cybersecurity field can be intense and demanding. You'll face high-pressure situations, and at times, it might feel downright overwhelming. But remember, every hero must confront their villains. Embrace these challenges as golden opportunities for growth and learning. It's all part of the incredible journey. Each obstacle you overcome will only make you stronger and more resilient. And finally, step 6. Believe in yourself. You've got what it takes to become a cyber guardian. Trust your instincts, stay motivated, and don't hesitate to ask for help when you need it. The cybersecurity community is filled with supportive individuals who genuinely want to see you succeed. Remember, every great hero started somewhere, and your journey is just beginning. So, are you ready to embark on this thrilling adventure? The world needs more cyber guardians like you. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips and insights, and don't forget to drop your questions in the comments below. I'm here to assist you on your journey, and together we can navigate this exciting landscape. Until next time, stay safe out there and keep those cyber shields up.